OMG, I'm back in the real world where I belong naman talaga. But thank you so much to Pinoy Big Brother for having me. Sobrang unexpected talaga ang lahat. Even me going home or even me being there. So grateful lang ako. So don't you worry guys, I don't feel so bad. Anyway, so after getting out of the house, this is where I stayed. Hindi pa ako umuwi kasi hindi pala pwede. And I just got my phone now. Yeah, you know, it took a lot of hours actually before I got my phone. I don't know what's happening in the outside world. I don't know if you guys even like what I did inside. Pero anyway, here is my very clean man. Ano daw? Yes, this is the luggage. Woohoo! I get to bring it home. Thank you so much, Pinoy Big Brother. It's huge. Also, this is a backpack also na galing sa kanila na we packed up. Plus, this is the laundry na bag also, which helped me put all my clothes together. So, sa last night, kasi I was heads up, or I was like, you know, with Sam, Alexa, TJ, and bigati naman talaga sila. Sabi ko, baka it's gonna be me. And it's gonna be me! Nga talaga. But anyway, I super cherished every moment there. And today, I didn't wake up with a check! Ta-da-da! Sikat ang Pinoy! Kasi every time yun ang narinig namin pag nag-wake up call. I woke up in this room alone in a hotel. And back to back to the world, which is okay lang. Again, it's really okay. It's what you do naman outside the bahay ni Kuya, diba? So, ito pa. Talagang ko pinampas yung sabunan no, tinago ko din. walang sayang sa akin, or walang, Okay, anyway. So, someone's already calling me. I think they want to kick me out. Thank you so much sa mga nag-welcome sa akin sa outside world. Like, there were a group of people outside sa bahay ni Kuya. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga iniisip na, may magsusupport mo sa akin sana. Tapos, syempre, pandemya ngayon. So, whoever you guys are, yung nasa labas, sorry. Dahil, paglabas ko ng bahay, dinala agad ako sa van, kaya hindi ako maka-hi. Nag-hi naman ako, pero hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo. So, thank you guys for being outside the house of Kuya and being super duper supportive. And again, I haven't checked the online world yet, so I really don't know what was shown, but sobrang grateful ako for the experience anyway. Bago mag-eviction, galing kaming volleyball. Oo, nag-play lang kami ng volleyball. Tapos, volleyball outfit na yon, hindi ako nakaligo. Hindi din ako masyado nakaayos. So, yung makeup ko, yun na mismo yung sa volleyball game. Kasi, na-extend yung eviction till Sunday. And we were super duper, like, parang na-confused. Kasi, normally, Saturdays yun, diba? And then, Saturday, we had a catch-up party, which was really, really nice. Tapos, nung Sunday morning, nagluto si Madam Ilots ng Maple Express, ng Nempo. Mga favorite ko. Alam niyo yung telltale signs na Karen, this is your last day here. So, I was thinking, hey, miss me, because everything, the food, it was for me. So, yun. So, ang ganda ng mga memories ko bago pumasok. Bago lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya. Tapos, mind you, all my clothes na sinuot ko sa loob ng bahay are clothes that were from back in 2016 pa. I didn't really have new clothes at all. I didn't even have shoes. So, yung makeup ko din, hindi naman yung expired. Pero I bought a few makeup lang. I bought 2 pairs of shoes. Wait lang ah. Just a minute. Baka hinahanap na ako. Wait lang! Yes? Oh. No, I'm videoing. Dude. Oh, wow. Wait lang. Oh, this is Tej. Well, it's for my vlog. Dude, he's a good guy. So, whatever you guys hear, he's a good guy.
You're doing it live.
No, I'm not. It's not live.
Oh, it's not.
Oh my gosh, we're freaking out sabay pa, dude.
Yes.
Nag-send na pa tayo this weekend.
it's the fruit group.
Yeah. Oh, we're in the same line.
Well, I wouldn't choose, although I love Alexa, I wouldn't choose anyone else na makasama dito sa labas. Pero syempre, si Porky ang best option for me.
Nagkakaintindihan kami, guys. So we have no problems at all.
That's true.
Whatever you guys saw, we are so cool.
Ganon namin i-resolve ang mga churro. So,
kaya hanggang loob at labas.
Cool. Alright? Abangan nyo na lang mga susunod na videos namin na kumakain kami together with the rest of the evictees.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're freaking outside, diba?
We are unbelievable. And I can't believe you're holding a phone right now.
I know! Dude, this is the actual phone. Guys, support us. Okay.
Yes.
Sobrang close kami sa loob to the point na we're all hugging. I mean, it was like a real family inside. Kaya, naguguluhan ako sa mga narinig ko. But, you know, I haven't really checked the internet yet. I haven't really like grasped what happened. So, I guess, guys, iba talaga yung nakikita nyo sa loob. O, sa perspective namin as being inside. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. My stay was very meaningful. Tsaka, ang ganda lang talaga to begin again. Tapos sa bahay pa ni Kuya. But really, it starts right here as I exited. I wanted to stay longer, pero ganun talaga ang tadhana. That was meant for me. And I'm just gonna enjoy every minute. Plus, I get to have Christmas at home. Woo! After so many years, wala pa akong Christmas at home. Ay, loko. This is my Kumu pillow. Woot! So, ayan. Uuwi na ako. So, instead na ihahatid ako ng ABS, mom ko susunduin talaga ako personally. Tapos tumawag siya. Tapos tinanong niya ako kung nandun daw siya sa tamang road. I don't know! Ang tagal ko nawala din sa mundong ito. I mean, here in anywhere. I haven't ridden really anywhere. So, she's so funny. Akala niya siguro staff yung nag-answer. Pero ako yung nag-answer. Sabi ko, Mommy, I don't know, but I miss you. So, yes, she'll be here in a few minutes till my room is not fixed yet. So, mag-ayos muna ako.
A few moments later.
Mommy picked me up here in the hotel. Minsan lang yan sumusundo. That's Peach's dad. Mommy! How was I in the show? Ano? Talaga? Sobra? Yeah. Really? Siyempre, mommy kasi, diba? Ito na! Sinusundo na ako ng nanay ko. Check natin. Ay, naku. Tanggalin mo yung... Ay, mom! Guitar! That's not our guitar! Dito ko rin... Teach tong... Oh my God, mati ko na makuha yung guitar ni Teach. Mom, can you hold this lang? Para straight na. Magaling ka. Yeah, I'll check. Mom!
Oh, kaya nga.
Siguro si Kuya Bo. Ay, di, akin po yan.
Baka na tayo umalis, nadala na agad yan. Buti pala sa ang laundry mo.
The purple one, nandun na. Okay. Yeah. So, ito yung nangyayari pag na-evict. Ayan o. Pati yung mga gamit na iba kinukuha ko. Really? Look! Yay!
A few minutes later.
I'm home! Wow! I miss you. Ano? Hug. Wow! Ano nangyari nung wala? Yes! Parang di naman. Adan! Ano? Kamusta? Nanood ka?
Opo, nanood ako.
Ano sa tingin mo? Wala lang? Wala siyang pakailang. Ano? Eh, ba't ka nakasmile? Oh my gosh, my fishies! Jing, nandiyan pa yung turtle ko?
Opo, kumasama ko yan eh. Dali ako pumunta ko din sa kahoy.
Kahoy? May rabbit. lang. Liberty.
Nakakapulsin ko sa kawal.
Tinuruan ko naman siya.
Ayun
Ay,
po.
baw.
Ganyan po eh.
Naku. Noel! Ano? Okay ba? Okay naman.
At kita rin.
Oh, Christmas tree! Finally! First Christmas tree sa bahay na nandito ako. Ito yung ano, yung covers na nilagay ko. O, si Ma'am bumili. Gift ko yan bago ako umalis. Sila yung ano, galit. Galit ba kayo? Hindi naman kayo galit, diba? Hi!
Hello po.
Sabi na. Please, kanina to. Galing kanina.
Sa bank.
Oh, God. Ooh.
I'm going. Visitahin si Liberty.
Oh, yes. Liberty.
Oo nga.
Oh, my God. Sa taas? Yay! My Liberty. Yes, nandito pa rin yung kanyang little cage. Ang cute. Hi, baby! Remember me? Wait. Of course you have to remember me. I'm your mommy. Hi! Sounds ka na, no? Wala ka namang boses. Jane? Jane? Meron ng sound si, Liberty? Bakit parang may boses na siya? May boses.
Oo nga, may boses. Hindi mo alam, may boses talaga.
Hindi ba mga rabbit pa ng boses?
Lagi ko pinakausap eh.
Oh,
Ganyan siya. Ganyan mo. Masagot na yan.
Liberty.
Naano na sa'yo.
Nag-ano ba siya? Nagtatampo?
Oo, nagtatampo yan. Pag hindi ko nga dinadalaw dito, nagtampo eh.
Oh, anong sound yun?
May boses talaga siya. Tinan mo sa AI.
Napagalitan ba ako? Bakit mo ako iniwan? Mga ganun?
Siguro.
Oh.
Pero pag ako hindi, tuwing akit ako dito, takbo na yan. Parang nagpapakamot.
Bakit? Hindi mo ba alam sino kumuha ng bahay ko? Abroad lang ako. Alam mo ba yan? Ako na. Papansinin. Ha?
Sige, mamaya na siguro. Sobrang alam yung... Ang daming consumer.
Ah, TV.
Trending ka kaya?
Talaga? Saan ako trending? Hindi ko pa nakikita dyan eh.
Pinos niya sila.
Hmm.
Sa all, Philippines, whole Philippines. So, galing mo nga.
The whole Philippines? Jean, tumatawag ka sa akin. The thing I fear when your bunny doesn't remember you anymore. Liberty, come to baby. What? Liberty, come to mommy. Oh, oh. Oh. Okay, fine. She kind of remembers me. Laki mo na. Ang laki mo na, baby. Oh, bakit na ganyan? Ayan, first meal. Parang ito din yung laya meal ko, mami. Korean food, diba?
Ano ba yung ano?
Simple lang, guys. Oh, chicken curry, japchae, and Korean box. Yun lang, simple lang. At 5% na yung phone ko. Ha! So, next day, I got home. All I wanted to do was get back to work.
A few inches later.
Had my team all together. We had Korean food, and we talked about my future.
14,189,500.
What does that mean?
Okay, that's your diamond na. I'll
Okay.
teach you ha.
Okay.
If that's your diamond,
Gusto ko yung totoong diamonds, ah.
189,515. Naka blue check ka ba?
Yeah.
Kung gusto mo maging bronze badge ka,
I have no idea.
the conversion, mas mataas. Ayan, blue check ka pa lang.
So that's not good?
That's not good kasi 750 pesos pa lang exchange rate. Now, wait for another time siguro na maging bronze badge ka para yung conversion rate is 1,000 pesos.
Ah.
So, you.
Ano daw pinag-uusapan? Bronze badge? What world is this? Diamonds? What? Paano ako makita, diba?
I'm teaching you lang. Yung surprise ka, di ba? You have
14 million
you have
diamonds.
14 million diamonds in your wallet.
I don't even have a wallet. Guys,
Tapos
wait lang. So let you know, I have no wallet right now. Kasi hinahanap ko talaga siya ng hinahanap.
Sinabi ko yung dalawa.
Or baka wala talaga akong wallet, di ko maalala. Tapos yung 500 pesos ko back in 2015 pa. So hindi ko din magagamit, FYI. Para lang sa kaalaman nyo, wala akong ambag today.
Atin yung plans.
Kaya natagalan ako. Magpaplano kami kasi yung dias ko. Hangin pa.
Actually, in 20 days, kung gusto mo na i-convert yan,
No, I'm not in a
just
hurry.
prepare lang your Gcash account.
I am sobrang low maintenance, but let us plan my life para we can finally reach amazing heights. Yay!
12 seconds later.
So ngayon, I'm trying to be super organized and so sinusulat ko na yung schedules ko sa aking plano. I'm back to doing normal writing. And everyone thinks I'm so old school. I'm a manager, everyone thinks I'm so old school. Eh, hindi ako organized. Yung book ko, hindi pa yun napabrush. Ever since I got out, like, wala pa ako naayos, pati yung luggage ko, wala eh. Pero today, we are gonna do a shoot. Yeah. Parang I'm like super dark here.
Only one.
Talaga? Ayan. Ayan, dyan nag-bright. Kanina sobrang yellow. So, that's my planner. December na. Buti naman, may schedule ako. Wee! Wait, it says I'm gonna do showtime. And it says I'm gonna host PBB Kumulitan. I'm gonna co-host lang. Co-host lang, ah. Or sana mag-host na rin one day. Ah! And then, a lot of other stuff. How exciting! Okay, sige, bye! So, we are at the studio. And ito actually yung first thing na I'm gonna do, update my photos. Kasi mukha na akong different, guys. Sobrang dami kong kinain sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Sobrang daming cream line. Hindi ko siya sponsor, pero ramdam ko talaga ang cream line sa buhay ko. Dahil merong part dito, puro cream line lang. I gained so much weight. Yes. Alright, let's start!
Lagyan natin ito doon para habang mini-makeup ang
Guys, remember this place? This is where we had Karina shoot. It's actually my agency. So, oh my God! Wala akong tulog. This is my third day sa Laya. Wala ko talaga ako ayos. Kaya, pinupush na nila ako na mag-professional makeup. Alright, Jofel, guys. Wala akong tulog for 3 days since eviction night. I went crazy on Twitter last night. We trended, by the way. And yung consequence nun, siya yung magpapakita para makaka-fresh. Nahihirapan ka na? Nahihirapan siya. No tulong, no?
Nagbago nga siya sa category.
Look at that.
Parang 1, 2, 3.
First shoot since I got out. Walang tulog yan, 3 days.
So Joey, anong ginagawa mo ngayon kay Karen?
Tinatahi ko na sa balat niya to. Para
I'm ready.
ready na siya.
Yes.
Super ready.
Yung friend ko, oh.
But,
Ako ba talaga yung friendly?
Oh, syempre.
last one, ayan do.
Wow.
BTS lang. BTS lang.
Ay, sa'yo si Joe.
Three days later.
Hey everyone! So that's what I did for the first week of being back from the bahay ni Kuya. So ngayon, I get to eat any chips I want since wala namang ganun doon sa loob. Naghihintay ako ng sponsor ng chips sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya pero wala. Kaya iniisip namin, may mga nanonood pa. We had a lot of ice cream, but we didn't have chips. And when we finally had chips dun sa Kumu party sila, sobrang okay. If you guys were watching, dun ako sa bowl ng chips. Hindi ko siya tinigilan. So, ngayon, I have my own chips. Alone. Parang, ang dami ko nang namimiss sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Anyway, sana nag-enjoy kayo for this first episode of mine since I got back. And I hope you guys can post on the comment box of wala lang, you know, things that you want me to do now that I'm here. And sana I get to know you more. To all the Karenatics, the Karen Bordador Global, to the Bordadorables, and to basically everyone na supported me. Maraming salamat po guys. Kahit nandito ako sa labas, ramdam ko yung tinulungan niyo ako and nag-grow pa tayo. So yay! I eat this for you! Satisfied customer. So I will see you guys very soon. Huwag kayong akalimot to follow me in Kumu guys. I'm gonna do a lot of live streamings there. At Karen Bordador, there's a check. Ooh, verified na siya. But unlike my other social media accounts, hindi pa siya verified because ilang days pa lang daw nagawa, hindi pa daw 3 months. Alam niyo naman, bago lang ako sa social media. But anyway, please follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instag, and TikTok. Woohoo! Oh, by the way, kung hindi nyo alam, I actually have a blog and I've been sharing a lot of things there. KarenBordador.com. Ang dami, no? So, welcome to my world. So, I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And please, do share my YouTube page to everyone. I love for them to smile. So, see you guys. Miss all of you.